All of that just made the water turn green. Woo-hoo! Cowabunga! It's turning it into green ooze. Whoa, this is gonna be cool. Okay, let's let it sit here for a little bit. Wow. Whoa, it's getting really slimy already. Whoa.